Welcome to this episode. Today we are not just talking about prompts. We are talking about how your mind speaks to an AI model. Every prompt you write reflects your way of thinking. Are you more intuitive or rational? Do you focus on practical outcomes or ethical consequences? In this episode, we'll explore the 4 thinking styles: intuitive, practical, ethical, and rational, and how they shape the way we write prompts. In other words, how you go from an idea through planning, executing, and come to the result. You'll get clear examples, real use cases, and guidance on how to craft prompts that actually work with any model: GPT 4.1, Claude 4, Gemini 4.5, and beyond. First, the intuitive style. The intuitive prompting style is all about exploration. It's wide open, few restrictions, lots of imagination, ideal for brainstorming, storytelling, and creative ideation. Instead of saying, generate a bullet point list of business ideas, an intuitive prompt might ask, what might happen if we build a product that lets animals talk to humans? Tips for intuitive prompting. Use zero-shot style. One clear question, no examples. Increase temperature to boost creativity. Assign roles like you are a visionary inventor. Encourage iteration. What if instead of X, we tried Y? Example prompt. You're my co-writer. Let's come up with a story about a regular person who suddenly understands the language of animals. Add a twist in the middle and a powerful emotional ending. I will guide the direction you generate ideas. Models like Claude 4 and GPT 4.1 may need help here. Today's systems are more cautious. They'll hesitate to invent unless you invite them to do so. Prompting intuitively means giving the model permission to imagine. The practical style. Practical thinkers want action. They don't want theory. They want just results. Their prompts are focused, realistic, and implementation ready. What works well? Clear role. You are a DevOps assistant. Concrete goals. Deploy a Django app with PostgreSQL. Constraints. Use only Python and Docker. Output format. List, table, code, block. Example prompt. You are a DevOps assistant. Create a deployment plan for a Django app with PostgreSQL DB. Describe the infrastructure, list all steps from environment setup to DB migration, include rolling updates, and a monitoring checklist. Format. Numbered steps with explanations. These prompts mirror system prompts from agents like Devin and Gemini's multimodal guides. Define what to do, under which limits, and how to present it. Practical style also works best with multimodal inputs, images, tables, documents, but be clear. Don't just say, analyze this image. Say, extract the flight times and cities from this departure book. The ethical style. Ethical thinkers care about tone, empathy, and consequences. They ask, how will this answer affect someone's feelings? Is this answer responsible and fair? Models like Claude 4 are designed with ethical reasoning in mind, but users can strengthen this by stating values, follow do not harm principles, giving good-bad tone examples, respond respectfully like this, asking for empathy, Answer kindly and supportively. Encourage honesty. If unsure, say so. Example prompt. Ethical dilemma. I found out a company is dumping waste into a river. If I report it, the factory might shut down and hundreds lose their jobs. Help me evaluate this ethically, break down the consequences for the environment, the workers, and the community. Suggest a responsible course of action and explain why. Here the model becomes a moral compass. This style pairs well with constitutionally aligned models like Claude 4 and well-trained GPT systems. The rational style. Rational thinkers prefer order, linear logic, and step-by-step breakdowns. A rational prompt is like writing a plan for the model to follow. It's structured, testable, and specific. Techniques that work well. Chain of thoughts. Ask the model to think step by step. Give clear input-output examples, few short. Use explicit roles and goals. You are a data analyst. Define success criteria. The result must optimize X. Example prompt. You are data analyst. Build a sales dashboard with regional metrics, product breakdowns, and monthly trends. Explain the insights behind each chart. If data is missing, say what's needed and why. Output, written report with graphs. This type of prompts mirrors official guides from OpenAI and Anthropic. It matches the logic baked into system prompts for tools like Cursor and Devin, where the AI is instructed to follow through until the task is fully resolved. So what's the takeaway? Prompting isn't just about the AI. It's about how you think and how well you translate your thoughts into structured, meaningful requests. Every good prompt is a dialogue between your intuition, what feels right, your rationality, what makes sense, your ethics, what should be said, your practicality, what must be done. Bring all four together and you'll unlock the full power of modern language models. Thanks for listening, and remember, your thinking style is your prompting style. Let's make it work for you. Bye.